We're going to go ahead and replace the driver's side fog light located right in your front bumper. The procedure to remove and replace is the same on the passenger side. We first have to remove our trim bezel right here, which is painted to match the body. What we're going to do is we're going to apply a piece of tape right here. That is to protect our paint. I'm going to use a plastic trim tool. I'm going to go underneath here. I'm going to gently pry upward. I'm going to do this in these two little notches here. Go ahead and pry that trim off, set it aside. Now on the inboard side, there's going to be two 8mm screws. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver, or you can use 8mm socket. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove those screws. Go ahead and repeat for the other. At this point here, we should be able to grab that fog light, twist it out. And on the back side, we're going to have an electrical connector. Now we have the tab on the back side here. What I want to do is press down on the back side of this tab. Pull that off like that. Go ahead and take your connector, line that up with your bulb on the back side. Press it in until you hear it and feel it snap into place. Tuck in that wiring harness, and on this end here, there's two little tabs that are going to fit into the edge of the bumper. So you're going to want to go ahead and feed that into the bumper. Go ahead and line up your two screw holes, and we'll get those two screws started. I'm just going to go ahead and get these two screws started, and then we'll come back and we'll tighten it both down. And once you feel that screw bottom out just a hair bit more, and do the same for the upper. Once that's secured, you can now go ahead, take your trim. Has all these little locking tabs around the perimeter. Simply line those up. Go ahead and press these into the bumper. And you can remove your tape.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.